We are going to do April Spiral 4, but before we do that, we're going to look at the answers for Spiral 3. Pause it. Okay, pause it. All right, so 5,898, we're going to round to the thousands. 8 is going to bump that up to 6,000. And 900, this 4 is the boss. Applesauce, this 4 is going to let it rest at 900. So 0, 0, can't do that. We can take that away. All right, 10 minus 9 is 1 and 5. Okay. 40 video games, wants to separate them in 5 bins. So 40 divided by the 5 bins means 8 in each bin. 7 groups of 9. Obviously, the 7 is staying the same in all of them, so we have to look at how we break up 9. Yes, 4 and 5, that's it. But let's look. No, 9 does not break up into 4 and 4, but it does also break up into 4 and 5 here. So what's the difference? This is times. It has to be addition. We have 7 groups of 4 plus 7 groups of 5 because 4 plus 5 equals 9, okay? 4 times 5 does not equal 9, okay? All right, here he had 81 drawings. He wants to give 9 of his friends 10 drawings each, which would mean he would need 90 drawings, so he does not have enough. He only has 81 drawings. He does not have enough to do that, to give everybody that. Okay, here's 3, 6, and 5, 6. We divided each section into 6 equal parts, and then we shaded 3 of them and shaded 5. Okay, each one of these, they want divided in to represent 4 eighths. So we divided this into 8 equal parts and shaded 4. 4 eighths, you probably wrote 1 eighth, 2 eighths, 3 eighths, 4 eighths, 5 eighths, 6 eighths, 7 eighths, and of course this is 8 eighths. So your 4 eighths should be right in the middle because 4 is halfway to 8. So if you have 8 parts and you are at 4 of them, then you are at 4 eighths, which is halfway. We did the time together. And then this one should look at 40, 40, 25, and 15. Okay? All right, let's take a look at April Spiral 4. All right, solve. It's a subtraction. You're going to need to, you're going to need to write this like 1,000 minus 492, making sure your columns are lined up. All right, Dana has 18 cookies. She wants to give them to 6 of her friends. How many will each friend receive? So she has 18. She wants to give them to 6 of her friends. They want you to draw a picture, so you should draw the 6 friends. Now you have 18 cookies, so you need to divide 18 by the 6 friends, and you could just draw like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, or if you know what 18 divided by 6 is. Okay, but you could just start by dividing them up. Give everybody 1, give everybody 2 until you get to 18. Write the value of the bold or underlined digit. I went ahead and underlined it for you, okay? But the value, meaning is it worth 9, 90, 900, 9,000? How much is that 9 worth? And you're going to write it there. Don't just write, tens. I want to know really what does this 9 stand for? Does it stand for 9, 90, 900, or 2,000? And then same with the 7 there. Okay, 8 groups of 9. This is just like the 7 groups of 9 we did on the other page, okay? It looks like the 8 staying the same in all of these, so you have to break up that 9 into 2 groups, and you need to decide whether you are adding or multiplying them. Coach Anderson was planning a game in PE class. He needed to make a rectangle, which was cut into 8ths. Was Coach Anderson's rectangle cut into 8ths? Why or why not? Okay, so count up the parts. Do you have 8 parts, first of all? And are they equal parts? In order to be 1/8, it must be equal. All right, Angelina had $36. She wanted to spend 1/6 of her money. Okay, so she has $36 and she wants to spend 1/6 of it. The question is 1/6 of 36 is how much? So what we want to do is if we took this 36 and we divided it into 6 equal groups and we used one of them. So I would use a bar diagram up here. 36, and you're going to break this into 6 equal groups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's gonna be a little bit longer than I want it to be, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have split this into 6 equal groups. We wanna know how much would be in one group right there. Okay, so first thing you have to do is figure out for 36 total, how many should be in each group, and then how much is one of those 6 groups. How much would be in there? Pete had 5 tables for the party. Each table was 6 feet long. If he placed the tables end to end, how many feet would all 5 tables be? Okay, so you're gonna draw 5 tables. End to end means it goes like this. Like you're just putting them right next to each other. You don't even see that there's a crack. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 5 tables end to end, and they are each 6 feet long. So we want to know how long is that total. Okay, you're going to need to recopy this from spiral 3, or you can just do it right here. It was 40, 40, 25, and 15, okay? So the aquarium's goal was to get to 1,000 total animals by the end of the year. How many more animals do they need? Well, a lot. Okay, you need to figure out how many animals you have total right now, and then you have to figure out how many more you need to get to 1,000, okay, which is going to be a number less than 1,000, okay? So you have to either subtract or divide, and you do not have equal groups. So I should help you with that, okay?